Hello and welcome to HotStone Media. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the engine oil and oil filter on a Honda Jazz. The first thing you'll have to do would be to jack up the vehicle and place an access stand for safety. After that, when you go under the vehicle, you should be able to see the oil sump. You need a 70mm socket and a ratchet in order to open the sump bolt. After that, you can take off the old oil filter. It's located in front of the engine. You may need an oil filter wrench in order to open it. After you have taken out the oil filter, you should clean the area. Before installing the new oil filter, you should put some lubricant on the rubber seal. After that, you can install the new oil filter. You should tighten the oil filter by hand. After you've done the oil filter, you can put the sump bolt back. After that, you can take the axle stand out and jack the vehicle down. Then you can open the oil cap and start putting the engine oil in. After you put the engine oil in, you should check the dipstick to make sure the oil level is on the maximum. Then you can start the engine for a minute or so. Then you should switch the engine off and check the oil level again. If it needs any more, you should top it up and you should be all done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the content, please like, subscribe and share. I will need as much subscribers as possible in order to continue. Thank you for watching my videos.